Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to install or update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and iOS 18 update is not showing on your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem and how you can update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So now let's get started how you can fix this problem. So first of all, here you will have to make sure that your iPhone device is compatible with iOS 18 because many devices are not compatible with iOS 18. So here make sure that your iPhone device is compatible with iOS 18. You can check from Google which devices are compatible with iOS 18 and which devices are not compatible with iOS 18. So here I'm using iPhone XS. So this device is compatible with iOS 18, so that's why here I can install the iOS 18 update in iPhone device. So if your device is compatible with iOS 18 and still you are not able to install iOS 18 and it's not showing in your iPhone device, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting on your iPhone device, then here you will need to make sure that you are using strong internet connection. Here weak internet connectivity can be the reason of this problem. So here make sure that you are using strong internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, then here you will have to disconnect with Wi-Fi and reconnect it again. And if you are using mobile phone data, then here you will have to turn off your mobile phone data and turn it on again. Then after that check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting, then scroll down, then tap on general. Then here you will need to scroll down, then tap on iPhone storage, and here you will need to make sure that your iPhone device has enough storage. So low storage can be the reason of this problem. So here you will have to review your photos, videos and other data. Then here you will have to delete some unnecessary data from your iPhone device, and here also review your apps which you have installed in your iPhone device. And here you will have to need to uninstall some unnecessary app from your iPhone device to avail more storage in your iPhone device, so that you will be able to install iOS 18 in your iPhone device. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting, then scroll down, then tap on general, then scroll down here. Then here you'll have to scroll down all the way, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. After that here you need to enter your iPhone passcode. So after that check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Here you will need to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button and volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you need to open Safari browser in your iPhone device, and here make sure that the Apple system status is working properly. So if here is any problem, then here you will have to wait for a few minutes until to fix it. Then after that try to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to install iOS 18 update in your iPhone or iPad device without any problem. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.